Seattle is known for quirky landmarks, few more iconic than the Fremont Troll. This colossal sculpture has been lurking under the Aurora Bridge since 1990, symbolizing the Fremont community's creativity and charm. Standing 18 feet tall and weighing 13,000 pounds, the Fremont Troll was crafted by a team of 4 artists. Made from steel rebar, wire, and concrete, the Troll even holds a realistic-looking Volkswagen Beetle that looks like the Troll just plucked it right off the road above. This Troll isn't just a piece of art, it's a piece of Seattle history. It was created to transform a neglected area under the bridge into a vibrant public space. The idea? To scare away more than just rodents and trash, this Troll makes a bold statement against the rapid development threatening Fremont's artistic heart. If you're visiting Seattle, you can't miss this landmark. The Fremont Troll is located under the Aurora Bridge on North 36th Street. Just head uphill from Troll Avenue, and you'll find this concrete creature waiting to greet you. Or eat you. It is a troll after all. You may know about the Fremont Troll, but right now, for a limited time, there are 5 other trolls around the Seattle area. We're going on a troll hunt. These 5 trolls are part of a limited time art installation, and I'll let you know how to find each one in future episodes. I'm Tex Turner. Stay tuned.